In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn Robux by using Freecash and redeeming your rewards the right way. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do from start to finish. First, go to freecash.com and create your account. When you sign up, you can usually choose a quick login option such as Google, Facebook, or Steam. Pick the method that is most convenient for you and make sure you're signing in through the official website so everything stays secure and easy to manage. Once your account is ready, the next step is to start completing tasks to earn coins. On Freecash, these tasks can include surveys, playing games, or testing apps. Each offer gives a certain number of coins, and those coins build up in your account as you complete more activities. Take your time here and choose tasks that match your interests and the amount of time you want to spend. For example, surveys may be faster for some people, while games and app testing can be more enjoyable if you prefer a more interactive way to earn. It's also a good idea to read the requirements for each task carefully before you begin, because some offers only reward you after you reach a certain level or complete a specific action. As your coins add up, you'll be able to cash out your rewards. When you're ready, go to the cash out section and choose the reward option you want. If your goal is Robux, select the Roblox gift card option. If you'd rather receive money another way, you can also choose PayPal if it's available for your account and region. Just make sure you have enough coins for the reward you want before trying to redeem. After you receive your Roblox gift card code, head over to roblox.com/redeem. Enter the code carefully, exactly as it appears, and submit it. Once the code is accepted, the value will be added to your Roblox account, and you can use it toward Robux based on Roblox's redemption system. In many cases, the reward is applied very quickly, so you should see it almost instantly. That's the full process. Sign up on Freecash, complete tasks to earn coins, cash out for a Roblox gift card or PayPal, and redeem your code on the official Roblox website. Follow each step carefully, stay patient while completing offers, and you'll make the process much smoother from beginning to end.